Hi, I'm Eileen Barker, and I'm often asked how I became a forgiveness teacher and how forgiveness relates to legal disputes in the practice of law. I have been a mediator for over 20 years. Before that, I was a litigator at the U.S. Department of Justice and Orrick, Harrington and Sutcliffe, one of the largest law firms in San Francisco. I have seen the ins and outs of thousands of lawsuits. I know how entrenched people get in their positions and how difficult it can be to settle, much less reach a harmonious conclusion. As a mediator, I started noticing that even when people would reach a settlement, they often were left with enormous hostility. And although this has become the norm, I wasn't satisfied with this. I believed that more was possible. About 10 years ago, I became very interested in forgiveness as a tool for helping people achieve true resolution, by which I mean that when the case settles, the people have no more hatred or animosity towards each other, and they are truly at peace. I was inspired by people like Nelson Mandela, who forgave after being a political prisoner for 27 years, and Eva Kors, a Holocaust survivor who forgave the Nazis for killing her parents and subjecting Eva and her sister to terrible experiments done on twins at Auschwitz. I was inspired by parents who forgave the murder of their children, and it struck me that if these people can forgive, then surely there must be a place for forgiveness in legal disputes. Since then, I've had the opportunity to teach many people how to forgive, including litigants in business cases, employment, personal injury, probate, contracts, family disputes, and many others. I've observed that when people forgive, they achieve a level of peace that enables them to be more effective litigants and to achieve more success in settlement. It's also clear that in addition to whatever other goals clients have, almost all of them want peace. I recently wrote an article for the Pepperdine Law Journal. It's entitled, "The Case for Forgiveness in Legal Disputes." In the article, I give many case examples from all different types of cases, showing how forgiveness has played a role at different stages of legal disputes. I also address concerns that are often raised about the ethical duties of lawyers, including the duty of zealous advocacy. And I talk about where forgiveness fits into that framework. Finally, the article gives practical next steps for lawyers and mediators who want to learn more about forgiveness. You can download the article for free from my website, and I will give you the website address at the end of this video. But the key point that I want to leave you with is this. Lawyers and mediators have a huge role to play in helping people understand the benefits of forgiveness. It won't be right for every client in every case, but for those clients who are ready to forgive, lawyers and mediators can do their clients and themselves a tremendous service by learning about forgiveness and incorporating it into their practices. This will enable us to provide guidance and counsel to those clients who need and want it.